Matru Panchakam. This is a shloka composed by Adi Shankara in praise of his mother. The status of a mother is that of godhood. The Vedas declare Matru Devo Bhava. The mother is extolled as the god in many of our scriptures. We are all well aware of this. But in these 5 verses, Adi Shankara is not simply extolling the mother as the god or vice versa. Though a sannyasi who had renounced the world, he laments at the death of his mother and feels bad that he was not able to do the duty of a son at the time of her death. His father died when he was quite young. His mother Aryamba nurtured him with great difficulty. He desired to take sannyasashrama, but his mother was not willing. He managed to make his mother agree, but his mother put a condition. It was that he should be present near her at the time of her death and that he should perform the funeral ceremonies. Shankara also agreed and took sannyasa. When he was at a place known as Sringeri, he got the premonition that his mother was about to die. He rushed to his mother's place, but by that time his mother had passed away. He could, however, perform the obsequies. At that time, with a pricking conscience, he laments, "Oh, my mother, you bore me for 9 months and you never bothered about the problems you faced. At the time of my birth, you bore the excruciating pain. You shouted in pain, calling out, 'Oh mother, oh father.' To bear the pain, you called out the names of Shiva, Krishna, Govinda, Hari, and Mukunda. Oh, my dearest mother, for all this in return, I can only give you my humble prostrations. At the time of your death, I could not offer oblations to you. I could not even give you a small amount of water to drink. I could not utter the name of Sri Rama in your ears. All this is because I arrived late. I apologize for these lapses of mine and kindly pardon me for these lapses. You sang to me that I was like a pearl to you, like a jewel to you, that I was your dearest eyes. You called me a prince and the soul of soul. But in return of all that, my dear mother, I could not do anything in return. I can never compensate that even by my becoming great. I am able to offer only a small amount of dry rice in your mouth when you passed away. Astam tavadiyam prasuti samaye durvara shulavyatha nairuchyam tanusoshanam malamayi shayyacha samvatsari ekasyapi na garbhabhara baranak krishasya yasya kshamaha दातुं निष्कृतिमुन्नतो वितनया तस्यै जनन्यै नमः। गुरुकुलम् उपसृत्य स्वप्नकाले तु दृष्ट्वा यति समुचितवेषं प्रारुदो मां त्वमुच्छैः। गुरुकुलम् अथ सर्वं प्ररुदत्ते समक्षम् सपदि चरणयोस्ते मातरस्तु प्रणामः। न दत्तं मातस्ते मरणसमये तोयमपि वा स्वधावानो दत्ता मरणदिवसे श्राद्धविधिना। न जप्त्वा मातस्ते मरणसमये तारकमनु अकाले सम्प्राप्ते मयि कुरु दयां मातुरतुला। मुक्तामणित्वं नयनं ममेति राजेति जीवेति शिरस्सु तत्त्वम् इत्युक्तवत्यास्तव वाचि मातः ददां जघं तण्डुलमेव शुष्कम्। अम्बेति तातेति शिवेति तस्मिन् प्रसूतिकाले यदवोच उच्चैः कृष्णेति गोविन्द हरे मुकुन्द इति जनन्यै अहो रचितोऽयमञ्जलिः।